Hello everyone. So this video is actually going to go live Thursday rather than Friday the 15th. And so that means there will be two videos on Thursday the 14th. The reason for that is the video theme for Friday the 15th is to wear red. It's for hashtag Reds for VEDS. VEDS meaning vascular EDS. It's to raise awareness about vascular EDS, which is probably the most dangerous, or at least one of the most dangerous types of EDS there is. This one causes a lot of cardiovascular issues, sudden death from aneurysms, different things like that. We really need to spread awareness about this type of EDS so that people, when they have these unusual or strange cardiac issues, aneurysms, things like that, doctors start thinking that maybe we need to at least check and make sure they don't have vascular EDS. Because if they do, and it can be caught early, they can live a lot longer to possibly even a normal life. But if it's not caught and it's not monitored, their lifespan is significantly reduced. And it's actually, you may be thinking, well, I don't have the vascular EDS, VEDS, so it doesn't matter to me. I have a different type of EDS. And so why should I bother? The problem is, when health insurance companies, life insurance companies, different things like that, hear about EDS, someone having EDS, they don't know that there's like 15 different types, and some have actually no or minimal impact on your lifespan and your health or things like that. They just look at EDS in general. And so the more we can raise the lifespan of people with vascular EDS, the better it is for everyone with EDS. On top of that, it's sad to lose someone just because doctors aren't knowledgeable. That's hard anyway. And we all understand what it's like to go undiagnosed. So imagine if you had that, but it actually, the undiagnosed could lead to your death. And you find out that you have vascular EDS because your brother died from it. When you then find out that if it had only been known, he could have kept living, or your sister, or your mom, or your dad. We need to remember that these are real people that are affected by this. And we really need to spread awareness and spread the word that vascular EDS is out there, and that if there is an unexplained event, it needs to be looked into early. Because if it's caught early, it may be able to extend their lifespan. And even if someone dies from it, it still needs to be looked into because it could be affecting other family members. And their lifespans could be extended if knowledge was only had about it. Things can be caught earlier, can be taken care of, risks can be dealt with, different things like that. The same reason any type of EDS needs checked for, but it's even more severe and significant that we need vascular EDS to be caught as soon as possible and monitored and taken care of. So please, I'm begging you, that's why this video is going out early. Please wear red tomorrow. Post a picture, if possible, with you wearing red. Tell people why you are. Help us raise awareness of this severe condition And I thank you, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.